ulit. That's unfair. Ang unfair nun. Hindi patas yun. Grabe. What's up? I'm Dianella, the epitome of talent.
Hi, ATM. And this is Alex Bruce, the best rapper in the village.
Hello.
Hindi first time, pero isa to sa pinakamasaya na collab ko as an artist. Kasi sobrang galing ni Alex, as in.
Kakainis! First time ko to collaborate with a singer. And sobra akong masaya na I get to work with the one and only
D.
Hell yeah! So ayun, buti talaga sobrang smooth lang nung proseso naming dalawa, and we weren't even awkward or anything. Like everything was just nice and fun. Nag-enjoy talaga kami.
It was fun.
No pressure anything.
Madali para sa aming dalawa kasi ako yung nag-produce ng track. Tapos nakapag-usap kami kung trip ba namin yun or hindi namin trip ng madali. Kasi plus, yung isa namin co-producer si Kuya Brian Lotto, which is close rin namin both. So, Kuya Brian, kamusta? And sobrang dali lang talaga nang nangyari. Well, sino bang di nangarap na kumanta sa Araneta, di ba? Parang, what's up Araneta? Parang yun yung
overwhelming.
Yun yung default na gustong sabihin ng nasa video, kaya alam mo yun. What's up Araneta? Ngayon magiging totoo na. And tas kasama pa si Alex Bruce. Legend.
Ay! So yun, maraming salamat talaga sa Coke for having us. We're beyond thankful. Excited na talaga kami mag-perform mamaya. Excited na kami lumagutok na yung mga buto namin. Like, let's go!
I think this coming from Dianella, this is gonna be the newest of the new. So, wait for it. This is gonna be crazy.
Ako pinaka-excited doon, guys. Pero ako, Alex Bruce 2.0. New flavors, new sounds, new everything.
Ako kay Alex Yakap.
Ay, wow! Wow, what a classic. Ako yung recent song mo with Kuya Looney. Sobrang solid.
Shoutout kay Looney.
Ikigai.
Ako kasi, whenever gagawa kami ng song, anak namin yun eh. So ayaw ko may magtampo. So feeling ko, walang favoritism.
I agree. Pero wala pa kasi akong song na masasabi kong, ay, ito na yon. This is the one. This is my favorite. Wala din akong favoritism kasi feeling ko, I just wanna keep learning and keep evolving para lahat maging favorite ko. Lahat favorite ko eh.
Masyadong maikli ang buhay para makinig sa sasabihin ng iba. Always choose to be happy. At the end of the day, naging artist ka para sa sarili mo. And always keep doing what you love. Gawin mo siya dahil mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Yung result, bonus yan. Pero the best is do what you love.
Totoo, this may sound cheesy and hindi man cheesy, this may sound overused, pero do what you love talaga, and never water down your vision for anyone's approval. Gawin mo lang kung anong trip mo gawin, and we have your back. We're here to support you. Like, hindi naman tayo magkakalaban-laban dito, and pamilya tayo dito. Family!
Thanks for watching and vibing with us.
Keep your eyes peeled for fresh drops, so click like, subscribe, and live your life ATM.